Photosynthesis is an amazing process where plants turn sunlight into food, a type of sugar called glucose. This happens inside tiny parts of plant cells called chloroplasts, which contain a green chemical called chlorophyll. The whole process is split into two main steps: the light reaction and carbon fixation. In the first step, the light reaction, chlorophyll. Please ask your question. Chlorophyll is a green chemical contained within chloroplasts in plant cells. It's crucial for photosynthesis because it absorbs sunlight to convert light energy into chemical energy. In the first step, the light reaction, chlorophyll in the chloroplasts captures sunlight. This energy is used to create a power molecule called ATP and to split water molecules. When water splits, oxygen is released into the air, and hydrogen moves on to the next stage. What are the two main things that are produced when water molecules split during the light reaction stage? You are absolutely right that oxygen is produced when water molecules split. That's one of the key components released. However, ATP is produced during the light reaction, but not directly from the splitting of water itself. The chemical energy from sunlight helps split water into two components. You've got one. What's the other component besides oxygen? Excellent, you got it. When water molecules split during the light reaction, they produce oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen is released, and the hydrogen moves forward to be used in the next phase. Well done! The lesson will continue. Next comes carbon fixation, where the hydrogen and ATP from the first stage are put to work. Along with carbon dioxide from the air, these ingredients are used in a series of chemical steps, guided by special helpers called enzymes, to build sugar, specifically glucose. This glucose sugar is incredibly useful for the plant. It provides energy for growth, can be stored as starch for later, or even used to build strong plant parts like cell walls. Beyond the plant, photosynthesis is super important for all life on Earth because it cleans our air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving us the oxygen we breathe. Besides providing energy for the plant, what are two other ways glucose is used by plants? And why is photosynthesis important for humans and other animals on Earth? You've correctly identified that glucose is used by plants to create cellulose for structural components and stored as starch for later use. And you are definitely right that photosynthesis is important because it provides oxygen for us to breathe. That's a huge part of it. Is there anything else photosynthesis does that benefits humans and other animals, according to what we've learned? That's an excellent point to add. You are exactly right that photosynthesis is also vital because it takes in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which helps regulate the global climate, in addition to releasing oxygens. So to summarize, glucose is used by plants for energy, stored as starch, and incorporated into structural components like cellulose. And photosynthesis is crucial for humans and other animals because it provides the oxygen we breathe and removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Even though photosynthesis is amazing, its speed can be limited by several things. For example, if there isn't enough carbon dioxide in the air, or if the temperature is too hot or cold, or if there's not enough light or nutrients, the plant won't make as much food.